Are you looking for the perfect first motorcycle? One that's powerful but not overwhelming, sporty but comfortable, and let's be honest, absolutely stunning? Well, the Kawasaki Ninja 650 might just be the bike for you. But is it truly the best beginner motorcycle? Or is it hiding some deal-breaking flaws? Stick around, because we're about to break it all down. The Kawasaki Ninja 650 has been a fan favorite for years, bridging the gap between entry-level and mid-range sport bikes. It boasts a sleek design, user-friendly power delivery, and a comfortable riding position. But before you jump on one, let's dive into its specs, performance, and some surprising facts you need to know before buying. Alright, let's talk numbers. The Ninja 650 is powered by a 649cc parallel wind engine, pushing out around 67 horsepower and 64 Nm of torque. Not too much, not too little, just right for a beginner looking for excitement without the fear of instant death. It has a 6-speed transmission, slipper clutch, and smooth throttle response, making it easy to handle whether you're commuting, hitting the twisties, or even taking it to the track. But here's the real kicker: despite its sporty nature, the Ninja 650 is surprisingly averaging around 50 miles per gallon while being kaime, which is insanely good for a bike this fun. Now, this is where things get interesting. The Ninja 650 is often marketed as a beginner-friendly sport bike. But does that mean every new rider should get one? Here's the deal. The comfortable upright riding position makes it less aggressive than true super, meaning no back pain after 20 minutes of riding. It has enough power to be thrilling, but not enough to throw you into orbit. If you accidentally twist the throttle too hard, the low seat height of 31.1 inches, 790 millimeters, means most riders can plant their feet firmly on the ground. A huge confidence booster for beginners. But Dan, this is a big but. If you've never ridden a motorcycle before, starting with something like a Ninja 400 might be a safer choice. The 650 has some serious torque, and if you're not careful, it can catch you off guard. Now, let's hit you with some facts about the Ninja 6 that even some owners don't know. 1. It's not just a sport bike. It's actually classified as a sport tourer, meaning it's built for comfort and performance. That's why it's one of the few sport bikes you can ride for hours without hating your life. 2. It has racing DNA. Kawasaki uses a lot of their high-performance technology from their track bikes in the Ninja 650. That means better handling, reliability, and overall riding experience. 3. It's not a true Ninja. Okay, hear me out. While it carries the Ninja name, it's not a full-blown super like the ZX6R or ZX10R. It's more of a balanced, everyday sport bike, perfect for the streets, but still fun on the track. It's a great upgrade bike if you're starting on a smaller bike, like a 300 or 400. The Ninja 650 is a perfect next step before jumping to a liter bike. So, after all this, should you get a Kawasaki Ninja 650? If you want a bike that's easy to ride, powerful enough to keep you entertained, and comfortable enough for long rides, then yes, the Ninja 650 is a fantastic choice. But if you're brand new to motorcycles, you might want to consider starting on something smaller, just to build confidence before handling a 650cc twin. At the end of the day, the best first motorcycle is the one that fits your skill level, riding style, and what makes you excited to ride. So, Is the Ninja 650 the right bike for you? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more motorcycle content. Ride safe, and I'll see you in the next one.